Seat belts mean safety by Linda Ruggieri. Seatbelts have been keeping people safe in cars for more than 50 years, but cars did not always have seatbelts. If a car stops suddenly, people are pushed forward in their seats. In the days before seatbelts, more people were thrown out of cars in accidents. People started demanding that car companies do something to protect drivers and passengers. Companies began to develop seat belts, but designing the belts to work well was not a smooth process. The first seat belts only went across a person's waist. These belts attached to the base of the seat in the car. These new belts helped held people in their seats. However, many people were still hurt in crashes. New types of seatbelts were tried. The best new ones went across a person's chest and waist. These belts keep a person's whole body from moving around. As a result, fewer people get hurt in car accidents. Although seatbelts helped keep people safe, some people did not want to wear them. Later on, states passed laws that said people must wear seatbelts. Today, all cars come with seatbelts. Using seatbelts makes everyone safer. In your journal, you are going to create a flow map. This is a flow map right here. On the flow map, you're going to summarize the development of seatbelts using the flow map. What was the first type of seatbelt used? Second, third, so on and so on. Do your best. Use details from the story.